Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. Today's video is going to be a Valentine's Day makeup look. So we're going to be playing with a lot of pink tones, and I'm really excited for this video because I'm going to be using some of my favorite makeup products. And so without further ado, let's just jump into it. I'm going to start with my foundation, and for that I'm going to be using my Clinique Even Better Makeup SPF 15. I love this foundation because it's a super great match for me, and it just blends out really seamlessly and effortlessly. I'm gonna blend it out with my beauty sponge. For my concealer, I'm going to be using my NYX NYX Bear With Me Concealer Serum. I'm almost out of this. I love this product. It's so easy to work with, and it works great as a foundation or as a concealer, and a little bit of it goes a long way. I recently did a video where I retried products that I disliked, and one of those products was this brow pencil from MAC. This is the Velux Brow Liner. This is in the shade Omega, and I think that I totally changed my mind about this product because it's really actually easy to use, and it's got this spoolie on the other end of this product, and it's just gives my brows a really nice tint, and with no fuss. It's really easy to use. So that's what I'm doing. I'm doing my brows. See? It's easy. I don't know why I didn't like this product to begin with, but it gives me a very nice and flattering eyebrow look. So I'm falling back in love with this product. For my bronzer, I'm going to be using one of my favorite bronzers. This is the Physicians Formula bronzer. This is in the original shade. And to apply this, I'm taking my Bobbi Brown bronzer brush. This gives me a very neutral and nice looking tan, and I just love the tone of this bronzer. See? Easy application, very blendable, and the tone of it is just perfect for my skin tone. Let's apply some highlighter. I'm actually going to be using my Fenty Beauty highlighter. This is in the shade Lightning Dust and Fire Crystal. This is what it looks like. I'm mostly going to be working with this side. This is more glittery, whereas this is more like a sheen. So I'm just going to work with that side. I like to apply my highlighter before my blush because I feel like everything looks diffused when I do that. And by the way, I'm using my Real Techniques 402 highlighting brush. Let's get the nose a little bit. Okay. Now for my blush, I'm going to be using my Shiseido, Shiseido Minimalist Whip Powder Blush in the shade Sonoya 01. This is what it looks like. And I'm going to apply this with my sponge, rather higher up on my cheeks. And a little bit on my nose. Before I move on to my eyes, I'm actually going to be doing my lips first. And for my lips, I'm going to be using my MAC lip liner in the shade Soar. This is a great lip liner for those pink looks. And for my lipstick, I'm going to be using my Gwenji lipstick in the shade, let's see, 202 Rose Flannel. What you do is that you twist the product a little bit and the product comes up. This is a sponge, so you just put the product up and then you just apply it. This is a vibrant pink color. Now I wanted to add a lip gloss because this is a matte lipstick, and as much as I love matte lipsticks, I always like a gloss on top. So I'm going to be using my Beauliss Drop It lipstick. It's just a clear gloss. I'm going back to the blush. I want to add some more powder blush to set this. And I'm going to be using my Hourglass blush in the shade Mood Exposure. This is a really nice neutral pinky blush. Okay, so for my eyeshadow, I'm actually going to be using my Natasha Denona Retro Glam palette. And I'm going to be working with these pink shades here. So to start out with, I'm taking my MAC, my favorite blending brush, my crease brush. It's the MAC 286S. This is a synthetic brush, and it works really well with cream products as well as powder products. It disperses the products and it blends it out just perfectly. So I'm gonna go into this shade called Holly right here, and I'm gonna dip into it and just put that on my crease. And the second thing I'm going to do is to take a Zoeva 231 Luxe Petite Crease Brush, and I'm going to dip into this shade called Ballet right here. And I'm going to put that on my outer eyelid to deepen up my eyelid a little bit more. And to deepen up the outer eyelid a little bit more, actually before that, I'm going to take a shader brush. This is just a MAC shader brush. The label is totally rubbed off, but this is just a classic shader brush. And I'm going to take the shade Ballet again, and I'm going to put that on my lower lash line. And with my first blending brush, I'm just gonna blend everything out on my crease and on my lower lash line. To deepen up the outer eyelid a little bit more, I'm gonna dip into the shade called Flare right here. This is a shimmery shade. And I'm just going to put that on my outer eyelid again. And I'm going to blend everything out with my first brush again, so that there are no harsh lines. And with my shader brush, I'm gonna dip into the shade called, what is it called? Flutter, right here. And I'm gonna put that on the rest of my eyelid. And again, going back into my first brush and just blending everything out. And just to spice things up a little bit, I'm gonna take my detail brush from, this is actually a lip brush from Sigma. This is called LO4. This is what it looks like. It's a very tiny detailed brush for the lips, but I use it for my eyes for detailed work. And I'm just gonna add shimmer right here on my lower lash line. And I'm gonna add the shade Flutter. And I'm gonna add that on my inner corner and a little bit on my lower lash line. Okay, so that's all I'm gonna do for the eyes. Let's add some mascara. I'm gonna be using my L'Oreal Lash Paradise. This is getting pretty old, but it's still performing really well. It holds up my curls and it gives me length and volume. And I truly have nothing bad to say about this product. I already have a backup of this. And I don't usually do this, but I think I'm gonna add some mascara on my lower lash line today as well. And for that, I'm gonna be using my MAC Extended Play Giggable Black Lash Mascara. This is what it looks like. And this is a perfect mascara for your lower lash line because the wand is really nice and petite. Okay, this is my Valentine's makeup look. What do you guys think? I think it turned out really nice and not too fussy. It was easy to create. It took me like 15 minutes to do this makeup. It's nothing fussy and I really like it. What do you guys think? So anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know what other contents you would like to see from me in the future. That would be really helpful. If you like this content, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys on my next video. Bye!